What's up? What's up? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Where's the dog I'm going to see?
Come on.
Are you tired of right? No. Stop. Oh, shoot.
Okay, this is bad. No.
You tired up the wrong way.
I know.
Please, Leah. No.
Okay.
Leah, stop. Leah. Leah. Whoa. Leah. No. Leah. Whoa. He's fast. Like a cutie fast. She's fast. Stop. No. I said no. No, I said no. What are you doing? What's that little face you have? Leah. What's this writing? Oh, they write in our house. The band-aids right in the house. Why? Why do you write this in? You should put her in the cage. No way. What are you doing, Isaac? What are you doing, I said? Ah, shoot. Boom! What? Oh my god. No, it went over the house.
Be careful with my phone. You want to tie her? I'll tie her. Come on. We'll tie her up. Leave her out of the cage for a little bit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, go get it.
It could be ours. Oh my god. You suck.
I'll tie her up. Put the chain over there.
Daddy!
Where did it come from?
From right there.
They threw it? Throw it back over.
Isaac, you do it. I have the phone.
Okay. Where did it come from? Over there?
Right there. They're far. You're welcome! You're welcome!
Okay. Yeah. Go get it.
Daddy, what's up? What's up, Daddy? I recorded.
Go get it, Leah. Go get it.
Hey, man. Hey, you.
Don't let you get the basket. Yeah, I'll put her. You fill it. Go get it.
I can see your face. Whoa. I can see the whole house. Look at it. Whoa.
Go get it.
Oh, shit.
Go get it.
Abel. Hi, good. Down. I'm knocking. Down. Why you record the big giant man? The big giant mama.